If you want to download Krita safely and quickly, this tutorial will walk you through the entire process step by step. Krita is a powerful free digital painting and drawing app, and the best part is that you can get it directly from the official website without paying anything. So if you're ready to install Krita on your Windows, Mac, or Linux computer, keep watching until the end. And if this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software tutorials just like this. Alright, let's get started. First, open your browser and go to Krita.org. This is very important because you always want to use the official website when downloading software. That way, you know you're getting the safe and genuine version of Krita, not a modified file from a third-party site. Once the homepage loads, look for the big Get Krita Now button, or you can use the download link in the top menu. When you click the download section, Krita will usually detect your operating system automatically. That means it can often tell whether you're using Windows, Mac OS, or Linux, and it will show you the correct download option. If it doesn't detect it right away, don't worry, because you can still choose the right version manually. If you're using Windows, click the Windows Installer 64-bit button. This will download the setup file, which is usually an .exe file. Once the download finishes, open the file to begin installation. You'll see a setup wizard pop up on your screen. Just click Next through the prompts, read and accept the license agreement, and then click Install. Depending on your system, the installation may take a moment or two. Once it's finished, click Finish and Krita will be ready to use. If you're on a Mac, click the Mac OS Installer button. This will download a .dmg file. After the file finishes downloading, open it and you'll see the Krita icon. From there, simply drag the Krita icon into your Applications folder. That's the standard Mac installation process, and once it's copied over, you can open Krita from your applications just like any other app. If you're using Linux, download the 64-bit AppImage. After the download is complete, you'll need to make the file executable before you can run it. To do that, right-click the AppImage file, go to Properties, then open Permissions, and check the option that says Allow Executing File as Program. After that, close the window and double-click the AppImage to launch Krita. On many Linux systems, that's all you need to do to get started. And that's it. In just a few minutes, you've learned how to download Krita from the official website and install it on Windows, Mac, or Linux. Whether you're a beginner artist, a designer, or just someone looking for a free creative tool, Krita is a great option to have on your computer. If this tutorial helped, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more clear and easy software guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.